Learning how to do your makeup so that you can create a variety of many different kinds of curling iron tools that leave your brows dark and add a touch of style and personality. Shoes that still reflect your Use a wide-toothed curl cleanser that suits your style. Prioritize your tasks based on Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. As we prepare to head back to the classroom, it's not just about having new supplies and outfits, but also about feeling confident and ready to tackle the challenges ahead. As students, we also wanted to look and feel our best when heading back to school. But with busy schedules and limited budgets, it can be challenging to find the time and resources to achieve the perfect glow up. In this video, we will be sharing tips and tricks to help you glow up before school. We'll also be providing easy and affordable tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine, from skincare to makeup hacks to healthy habits and fashion tips. Part 1. What does glow up really mean? Glow up refers to the process of improving oneself physically, mentally, or emotionally to become more confident, attractive, or successful. It involves making positive changes in various aspects of life, such as appearance, personal style, mindset, and overall well-being, with the goal of becoming the best version of yourself. A glow up before school isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. By taking care of yourself and investing in your well-being, you're setting yourself up for success both inside and outside of the classroom. If you're unsure where to start your glow up before school, here are some ideas. Tip number 1. Start with simple skincare routine. A good everyday skincare routine is essential for healthy and radiant skin. It typically includes a few key steps that work together to nourish and protect your skin. Start your routine by using a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. After cleansing, apply a moisturizer to hydrate and nourish your skin. Last and most important is sunscreen. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By just following a simple skincare routine every day, you can maintain the health and appearance of your skin. Tip number 2. Eat a proper diet. The key to beautiful, youthful skin starts with the foods you eat. Your diet has a lot to do with how your skin looks. The better you eat on a daily basis, the better your skin and overall health will look. Also, if you want to have clear skin, you should stay away from greasy foods as they tend to make your body produce more oils, especially in the T-zone. Your diet should consist of lots of fruits and vegetables as they are packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. Also, don't forget to drink a lot of water. Tip number 3. Get a good night's sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is one of the best things you can do for your skin. It's a fact that well-rested skin will repair itself from daily damage and regenerate new cells. You can do a few simple things to ensure you get the best night's sleep possible. 1. Avoid caffeine in the evening so you're not wired when trying to relax. 2. Establish a bedtime routine that includes winding down for 30 minutes before you turn in. After a while, your body knows when it's time to sleep. 3. Make sure your sleeping environment is dark enough. Otherwise, try sleeping with a sleeping mask on. Tip number 4. Use a silk pillowcase. Silk absorbs less moisture than other popular bedding materials like cotton. This allows the skin to retain more moisture, which in turn helps prevent dry or itchy skin. Silk is also less likely to absorb any lotions or serums you might use in your bedtime skincare routine. Tip number 1. Try out different hairstyles. Learning how to style your hair is a game changer, especially if you know how to curl your hair. You see these K-pop idols like Wonyoung, Ning Ning, and other K-pop idols wear the same curling styling. Creating Korean-style curly hair typically involves achieving soft, loose curls or waves. Did you know that you can create a variety of curls using just one tool? You don't need to buy so many different kinds of curling iron because you can achieve a curl using a straightener. 1. Wave curl. Start by curling the hair outwards until it faces the front again. for a few seconds, then release the curl by twisting the curler out while pulling it down. Hold for a few seconds before turning the curler out again. Repeat the steps until you reach the end of the strand. 2. Classic curl. For the classic curl, roll it in a circle and slowly pull it down to the end of the hair. This is the easiest to do among the other curls. Comb it and it will look like natural curl. 3. Fishtail curl. To achieve those curls on the bottom hair, fishtail curls are often created by curling the hair close to the ends of the strand. 4. Eggroll curl. The eggroll curl is turned upside down repetitively until the tail of the hair is curled. 5. Wool curl. Wrap your hair around the makeup brush and use a splint to heat it up. It loosens up and it becomes a very nice wool curl. These curling methods might look complicated at first, but with enough practice, anyone can master them. Tip number 2. Use hair accessories. Use hair accessories like headbands, barrettes, scrunchies, or ribbons to add a touch of style and personality to your hair. They can instantly elevate your look and make your hair stand out. Tip number 3. Maintain a hair care routine. Start by ensuring that your hair is in good condition. Wash your hair every 2 to 3 days using a suitable shampoo and conditioner that is formulated for your hair type. Use a wide-toothed comb or a brush with soft bristles to detangle your hair gently. Tip number 4. Embrace natural styles. Embrace your natural hair texture and work with it. Whether your hair is curly, wavy, or straight, find hairstyles and products that enhance your natural hair texture and make you feel confident. There's no denying that a good makeup routine can make you feel more confident and put together. Learning how to do your makeup for school can be a great way to enhance your natural beauty and feel more confident during your daily routine. When it comes to school makeup, it's important to keep it simple, fresh, and age-appropriate. Focus on a light coverage foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone. After applying powder, draw the eyebrows. Instead of caking on heavy brow products like eyebrow pencils that leave your brows dark and furrowed, brow powder adds a light accent that helps give your brows definition without perfect edges, making your brows look naturally full. Next is this to cool for school counter. This light contour will enhance your facial structure, creating a natural look. Opt for neutral eyeshadows and mascara to define your eyes without being too dramatic. Next is this brown eyeliner from Holika. Create a thin line along your upper lash line, starting from the inner corner and gradually thickening it towards the outer corner. You can use thin false eyelashes if your eyelashes are thin. Your makeup will look more uniformed and balanced as a result. A touch of blush and a natural-looking lip color can add a healthy and vibrant glow to your overall look. Remember, the goal is to enhance your features subtly and maintain a polished appearance that is suitable for the school environment. While uniforms can limit your ability to create unique outfits, there are still ways to add a glow-up factor within the boundaries of a uniform. Tip number 1. Use accessories. Use accessories to add personal flair to your uniform. Consider adding statement jewelry, stylish belts, patterned socks, or scarves that complement the uniform colors. Choose accessories that are allowed within your school's dress code. Tip number 2. Play with hairstyles. Experiment with different hairstyles to elevate your overall look. Try braids, ponytails, buns, or accessorize with cute hair clips or headbands. Hairstyles can add a touch of individuality to your uniformed appearance. Tip number 3. Focus on grooming. Pay attention to personal grooming to enhance your overall appearance. Keep your uniform clean, ironed, and well-maintained. Maintain good hygiene, style your hair neatly, and consider subtle makeup or well-groomed nails if permitted by the dress code. Tip number 4. Find a signature scent. Finding a new trademark smell is the best way to feel re-energized and self-assured. When selecting for fragrances, keep your personality and sense of style in mind. Different notes, including floral, fruity, spicy, and woody, make up fragrances. Tip number 5. Confidence and posture. Remember that confidence and good posture can transform any outfit. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and carry yourself with confidence. A confident and positive attitude can make you shine, even in a uniform. Tip number 6. Express yourself through shoes. While uniforms often require specific footwear, you may have some flexibility in selecting style or color. Choose comfortable shoes that still reflect your personal taste. Remember, even with a uniform, you can find ways to express your personality and glow up your overall appearance. Tip number 1. Exercise regularly. If you're able to exercise, don't take this for granted, as this is such an essential part of your body's and mental health. Regular exercise can help you to lose weight if you want to tone your muscles and improve your skin and hair. On top of that, chances are huge that it will also boost your mood and energy levels. So if you're looking to glow up, make exercise a regular part of your routine. Tip number 2. Personal hygiene. Maintain good personal hygiene by practicing regular oral care, showering daily, and keeping your nails clean and well-groomed. These small habits can significantly contribute to your overall freshness and glow. Tip number 3. Reduce stress levels. High stress levels can take a toll on your body and skin. Incorporate stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies you enjoy to help reduce stress and promote a radiant appearance. Tip number 4. Get sufficient sleep. Prioritize quality sleep and aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. To improve your sleep schedule as a student, create a study plan that allows for daytime studying, optimize your study environment for efficiency, break tasks into manageable chunks to avoid late-night cramming. Prioritizing sleep is essential for overall well-being and academic success. An academic glow-up refers to a positive transformation in one's academic performance, study habits, and overall educational experience. It involves improving grades, developing effective study habits, deepening understanding of subjects, and increasing engagement in learning. Tip number 1. Build strong study habits. Develop a routine that incorporates regular study sessions. Consistency is key, so aim to study at the same time and place each day. This helps condition your mind to focus and improves your overall productivity. Tip number 2. Prioritize and organize. Prioritize your tasks based on deadlines and importance. Break down larger assignments into smaller, manageable tasks, and create a to-do list or use a planner to stay organized. Tip number 3. Improve time management. Effective time management is crucial for academic success. Create a schedule or use a planner to organize your tasks and allocate time for studying, assignments, and other activities. Tip number 4. Improve note-taking. Enhance your note-taking skills to capture important information during lectures or while studying. Use abbreviations, symbols, and bullet points to organize your notes effectively. Review and revise your notes regularly. Tip number 5. Stay organized. Keep your study materials, assignments, and notes organized. Maintain a clean study environment to minimize distractions. Use folders, binders, or digital tools to manage your documents and files efficiently. Tip number 6. Expand learning resources. While textbooks and class materials are important, don't limit yourself to just those sources. Explore additional resources such as documentaries, podcasts, online courses, or educational websites relevant to your field. This can provide you with a broader perspective and deepen your understanding of the subject matter. Tip number 7. Stay motivated. Stay motivated by celebrating your achievements and progress along the way. Break down larger goals into smaller milestones to maintain a sense of accomplishment. Surround yourself with positive influences and remember why you started your academic journey. Remember, the academic glow-up is not just about achieving good grades. It's about fostering a love for learning, developing critical thinking skills, and enriching your educational experience. Enjoy the journey and embrace the opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have other video suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. See you again on our next video.